Okay. So Hajra, you tell me. Hajra, Hajra, you tell me. How many sets of teeth are there? Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. One at a time. I ask from Hajra. Don't behave like standing in market. Yeah, just means follow the instruction one by one. When I call your name, then only you just speak. Otherwise, you raise your hand. I will give you chance. Yes, Hajra. Yeah. Four type of teeth are there. They are incisor, canines, premolar, and molar. Yes, Abu Bakr, you tell me the function of incisors quickly. Yes. Yes. Abu Bakr, I ask from you. Yes. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, please speak aloud.
Okay, Abdullah Hassan. Abdullah Hassan, you tell me. Abdullah Hassan, you tell me.
Ma'am, please speak aloud.
Am I not audible to everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you are audible. Ma'am, please.
Speak. What are you saying? Ma'am, how many times you call ma'am? Yes, you tell me what you want.
Ma'am, please. On my video.
What? What are you saying? Whose video?
Ma'am, mine's video.
Your video you want to open?
Yes.
Why? What's the use of it? Mute your mic as well. Stop your video also. And when you want to say something, raise your hand. Follow the instruction.
Okay, ma'am.
So I asked from Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr didn't reply. Now Afan Usman, you tell me function of incisors quickly.
Okay, ma'am. Tell you.
Hmm.
They are used for cutting and biting food.
Hmm?
And they are used for cutting and biting food.
Okay. They are used for cutting and biting food. That's very good, mashallah. Now Hifza Harun, you just tell me the function of canine. Hifza.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Masha.
they are used for yes. They are used for tearing food.
They are used for tearing food. Very good. Now Asma.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly. That's why I have not answered.
My voice is clear. You have some connectivity problem. I'm audible to everyone.
Ma'am, it is clear, but it is some low. Speak
Juveria,
aloud.
I'm speaking aloud only. You have, I think, some problem there. And the students, you all are not able to means listen my voice.
Ma'am, ma'am, no, you are audible.
Okay. Now, Maisha, you tell me what. Now, Maisha, you tell me what is the function of premolar. Pre- you have some connectivity problem. Now, don't disturb the class by saying this again and again. Everyone is saying I'm audible. So, you have some connectivity problem. Okay, tell me the function of premolar, Maisha.
They
Maisha,
are used for crushing food.
they are used for.
Crushing food.
Yes, very good. Then, SM Bakir, you tell me what is the function of molar?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly. What you are saying?
SM Bakir, I'm not audible to you.
Ma'am, now you are audible.
Tell me what is the function of molar?
The function of molars are. Ma'am, can I?
Hmm? What happened?
Molars. May I tell? Molars are used for cutting and biting the food.
Cutting and what is the function of molar? They are used for grinding, chewing, crushing, and grinding. Their function is to grind the food. And in quickly, just Simra, you tell me the different part of a tooth quickly. Yes,
Ma'am, may I tell?
yes, yes. Tell.
When the parts of tooth are crown,
Hmm.
root, blood vessel,
Hmm.
nerve,
Hmm.
pulp,
Hmm.
gums, dentine, enamel.
Hmm. Yes, here is the structure that the enamel, dentine, pulp, and cementum. So the outermost white part is enamel, and inner to it yellow part is dentine. Means in the picture it's not yellow, but actually it is yellow in color. And inside of it, the soft portion, that is the pulp, and it's nothing. It's just nerves and the blood vessels. And the tooth is fixed in the gum with the help of one substance that is called cementum. So cementum function is to fix the tooth in the gum. Now let's move to the another part of the chapter, that is care of teeth. Care of teeth. Here, here one diagram is there on the page number 24. That let's remember, label the different type of teeth and then write the correct word from the word box and against each. So that you do quickly. So the front teeth are, yes, types of teeth, and then write means here the types of teeth are visible in this picture, and you just have to write against of it what the function of it. First you have to write the teeth, different type of teeth, and then write the correct word from the means their function as well from the box. So like suppose the front teeth are the incisor and their function is biting. So incisor and biting is like this, you have to do. So I'm giving you 1-2 minutes, do it quickly. Are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, what?
Here is an what you can say small exercise on activity sort. They are on the page number 24. Let's remember. Here you have to write the different means different types of teeth. There's a arrow on it. You just have to label it. Means you have to write the type of teeth there, and from the box, the help box, the word box is given. From there you write the function as well. Means like the front teeth, they are the incisors, and the function of the incisor is biting. So you have to write both the terms there. In front of that pointer is there, the arrow is there. There you have to write both the things. Means along with the incisor, biting as well you have to write. Okay. And then the canines. So the next type, beside to the incisors, canines are there, and canines function is to tear the food. So canine and the tearing both you have to write. And then beside this inner to the canine, the third type of teeth are there. They are premolar, and their function is to crush the food. So premolar uncrushing, and then inner to the premolar is the molar, and their function is to grind the food. So molar and grinding, this you have to write. Got it? Yes. So like this you have to complete this activity. And have you done, everyone? Have you done, everyone? So quickly do it. Few terms you have to write only, and what is the delay in it? So now let's move to the next heading, care of teeth. What do you understand by with this term, care of teeth? Yes. Okay, to various smile. You tell. Yes. Care of teeth means there should be, the proper care should be there, the proper cleansing should be there, proper cleaning should be there. Otherwise they can be spoiled due to the decay. Means the germs which are present in the mouth, they just means if we not clean the teeth properly, what happened to it, the small particles, they just stuck to the part of the teeth and different part of the teeth, and those actually the particles, they just, what you can say, these germs are attack on it, and as a result the decaying start. Means they produce. Yes. Yes, what do you want to say? And if we not clean properly, then what happen, a yellow sticky layer start forming on the teeth, that is called plaque. So that's a layer of germ. Proper brushing is very important, um, to keep the teeth clean, at least 2 times in a day, at night before sleeping, and in the morning at least. And after every meal we should rinse our mouth properly, so that whatever the food particles are left in the mouth, they should be clean. Because if the food particle will be left in the mouth, then what happen, these the germs attack on the food particle. As a result, the acid release, and that acid corrode the teeth, and as a result dental caries are formed, dental cavities are formed, and you can say that decay the teeth. So proper cleaning is very important. Brushing the teeth at least 2 times a day, and rinse every time after every meal. Rinse the mouth after every meal. That's very important. And now the next heading, ways to protect your teeth. How can you protect your teeth? Am I audible? Am I audible? Why these hands are raised? Hifza, Arun, Juwairiya, Ismail, and Abibasi. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Means I have started the ways to protect your teeth, but there are 3 hands raised, and I'm talking about means what they want to say. If you want to say okay, otherwise means tell the reason why it's raised. Okay, now let's start ways to protect your teeth. How to protect your teeth? How to keep your teeth healthy? Can you give some points related to it? Yes. Lower your hands if you don't want to say anything. Okay. Now, so how to clean our teeth? We can clean our teeth by keeping them. Oh, sorry, how can we keep our teeth healthy? By keeping them clean. And I told you at least twice a day we should brush our teeth, and we should brush our teeth in a very proper way. Um, because you know the. Am I audible? Am I audible? What I'm asking, am I audible?